What's up, guys? This is a Hampton Bay Holly Springs ceiling fan installed in a spare bedroom at my aunt's house. I did show all the ceiling fans running on all speeds, but I decided to make separate videos of the ceiling fans running. This has 3 light bulbs. It's got cherry to oak, maybe, or is that walnut? I think that's walnut. There's a frosted glass. It's a low profile. Doesn't have pull chain extensions because they might hang too low. Turn the switches on. Yeah, I did turn them off because the light was set to the on position and the fan was on low. Let's demonstrate it. Start with the light. That works. And we have a dimmer switch. Let me turn my flash off really quick. You can turn it down. This dimmer switch is a little bit stubborn. Because, see, you have to get it down. Alright, turn my flash on. Time for the fan. Start with low. It's a pretty good fan. The Hunter fan, the master bedroom that I recorded, is pretty slow. And the one in the office spins very fast. I don't know if you hear a hum. Alright, turn it up to medium. See, it's starting to move some air. Makes a little bit of a bearing noise. And now for high. Bearings are not that great. But besides the bearings, it blows a lot of air. And it makes a little bit of a scraping noise. Pretty dark in here with the flash off. Turn my flash on. Turn it off. Light. And fan. Alright, that's it. A Hampton Bay Holly Springs ceiling fan installed in the spare bedroom at my aunt's house. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.